Hey everybody, what's up? How's it going? Hope you're having a good morning, afternoon, evening, day, weekend, whatever it is, whenever you're watching this video. I hope you're doing all right. If you're watching this, then congratulations. You saw a video, you found the link. I just want to share with you how you can access some of the ebooks with this sheet that you guys got on Steam Night. All you have to do is, maybe your parents scanned it with their phone. They scanned the QR code. Another thing you could do to kind of give your parents back their phone, or parents, if you want your phone back, get your kid to go here on this website that I typed in here. All you have to do is just type it into your browser. And, they could see it. You guys could see it on, your Chromebook, computer, device, whatever it is that you're using. Without having to, scan it with your QR code. And here you are. They could start viewing any of these books that I have here. Now, again, if you clicked on the little guy, well, here we are. You're watching this video. If you click on me, it'll take you to the library homepage where I have a much larger Bitmoji library for you guys to check out. I have a third, fourth, and fifth grade room, and then I have a room for the little ones, pre-K, K, first grade, and second grade. Then I even have a spooky library that I'd made, full of those monster books and ghost books that you guys like. And then if you click on the little piranha plant here, well, that will take you to the Steam library that you guys are checking out as well. But, for example, if you guys want to view any of these books that you see on here, like maybe you want to check out this dinosaur book, right? If you click on it, it'll take you to Destiny Discover, where you will have to log in. Let me log myself out and then log myself in, so that way you guys could see how the process works. Usually, you can, click on the book. I'm logged out now. I'll see Destiny Discover kind of plain like this, but here it is, an illustrated timeline of dinosaurs. I have to log in to view it. Let me show you guys how to log in. Usually, you guys will have to log in using your ID number, your school ID number for both username and password. I can't say it enough. Use your ID number for both username and password. Nothing extra, just your ID number. I'm going to use mine, for example. I have my own special ID number that I use, and I'm going to copy the same thing that I typed in the username. I'm going to type in the password. You guys will use something different. Usually students have their ID numbers. Your ID numbers start with like a 2 and a 6, and then whatever numbers follow after that, 3 or 4 numbers. Or some of you guys also have your ID numbers start with like a 6-0. And then whatever numbers follow after that. But once you type that in for both username and password, hit submit, and you'll see that Destiny Discover does change on you. You get like this Sun Valley theme, and now you'll have the option to open the book, favorite it, whatever you guys like. You click open. Now you'll be able to, I'm going to turn off the audio. Now you'll be able to view the book here, on your device, phone, tablet, Chromebook, whatever it is that you got. You could just click and read the book page by page. You have a ton of other options here. If you want to hear the robot voice read it with you or for you, or you could follow along with it. If you like that, you could do that. Not all the ebooks have this, but it's pretty cool little option to have. You could, if you're into dinosaurs or any other books, you can check them out here on Destiny Discover. Again, you could view all the ebooks that we have available, because right now I'm not checking out books. There's also joke books you guys might like this one's pretty funny, The Holiday Howlers. Just to give you guys one more example, I'm already logged in so I could view it. Right, here it is, Holiday Howlers. Let's get a quick joke. What do cats say on New Year's Eve? Happy New Year. Huh? Whatever. Yeah, you could choose any of these ebooks to view from home. That'd be great, so that way you guys can't read right now, or you can continue reading because we can't check out books. I do have the Bitmoji library for you guys to check out. If you click on me, it'll take you back up to the front, and you could go to any of the other rooms that you see on here, and little by little I'm adding more rooms. But if you have any questions, just let me know. Shoot me an email, ask me at school, put it in the library Google Classroom. If you just want to say what's up, yeah, I'm always around. Also, in the library Google Classroom, I do have a lot more videos on there for you guys to check out in the section for books, and more books. Yes, there are a lot more recorded books that I've made for you guys there to go and check out and read from home on your devices and all that stuff. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Peace.